Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacey, creator of Mother Naked. Today I'm going to tell you how I created my logo. Another question I get a lot. So I used the app PicMonkey. You have so many fonts and graphics and everything on there. The basic package is $10 a month. I use the subscription still because I do a lot with my YouTube and just other bits and bobs that I kind of use for things and blog posts and all that sort of stuff. So I use PicMonkey quite a bit. So that is why I kind of keep my subscription. So I knew that I wanted something abstract-ish as a logo, kind of like icon related, because that's what I wanted for my candles. If you see my candles, you know that I use icons related to different scents. So I knew that it kind of had to be that similar in vibe. So I went straight to the abstract graphics and circles on PicMonkey. And then I found one that I really liked the shape of outside my logo. And then I found one that was kind of inside my logo, like a circular kind of thing, like then a maze kind of aesthetic. Here it is, so you know what I'm talking about. Then I think I used a little bit of something of Pixabay as well, which is also free to use for commercial use. If you've not checked that out, I will leave you the links below. Especially great for pictures and cartoons and all this other sort of stuff. So I put all that together in my logo, and then I used a PicMonkey font for the vegan gifts and home fragrance and the Mother Naked bit. It's almost kind of like an alien computerized vibe that I chose for my text. And that's it. I think I was just looking for something creative and something that I could do myself and create something quite original. For PicMonkey, if you use the designs and the graphics and the fonts, you can use them, but they have to be differentiated. So different color, different text, adding things, taking things away. They just, you can't take one of PicMonkey's graphics and then put it straight on a t-shirt. There needs to be some changes being made to it. And that's what I did with my logo. So yeah, I wanted something that I could put together myself. So PicMonkey works very well if you're kind of creative and you can see things like how you want it. But if you're not like that and you just want something that looks really cool and modern, I go to Canva. I will leave the link below again in the description box. They have loads of logo templates that you can play around with colors and kind of text fonts and things like that. But they literally have so many logo templates that you can just pick and choose from on there. So if you need something that kind of a little less design based and you don't feel comfortable doing that, I'd suggest going to Canva. Great website. I'm sure you'll get an idea of what you want on there, what you like. And they've got all sorts of different things as well, like leaflet templates, YouTube channel headers. They've got so many really cool graphics on there. I'm not really sure on the commercial use, so I would check that, but I'm told that everybody uses Canva, so but for me personally, I'd check it out before I used anything. On PicMonkey, I know that they're commercially copyright free if you change kind of the graphics and the fonts and what you do with it. And that's it. That's how I created my logo. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.